Good morning, all of you. Today we can discuss division. Okay, so first we already learned division, how we divide two digits number or three digits number by a one digit number. That we already learned in third standard. Now today we can discuss one special case of division when we divide a number by 10, 100, 1000 like that. Suppose one number 740 divided by 10. Okay, so 740 divided by 10, when we divide this, we know in 740 how many tens are there? 74 tens. So the answer will be what? This will be equal to 74, and what will be the remainder? The remainder will be 0. Just like another question, 890 divided by 10. What is this division? Its answer will be, its quotient will be 89 will be the quotient. Okay, here how many tens are there? 89 tens are there. So 89 is the answer. What will be the remainder? Remainder here it will be 0. Okay, so it is an exact multiple of 10. So another number, if we divide another number without if the last place is not 0, what will happen in that case? 512 divided by 10. Okay, 512 divided by 10. So here we know how many tens are there in 512. There will be 51 tens will be there. So the answer will be 51, and there will be any remainder in this case? Yeah, here the remainder will be r is equal to 2, which the ones place digit will be the remainder in this case, and tens and hundreds place we can write these two numbers will be the quotient, just like in this case also. Here when we divide this 890 by 10, take that hundreds place and tens place, that will be the quotient, and remainder will be 0 in this case. When we check the first number also, here hundreds place and tens place make 74, that will be the quotient, and 0 is the remainder in this case. Now another question, if we divide a number 5678 divided by 10, what will be the answer? However, we can find out here. Here tens place, we can find out the ones place digit will be the remainder, and all the digits, all the numbers together we can form, that will be the quotient. So 567 is the answer, and remainder will be 8. So r is equal to 8. Remainder is 8. So when we divide any number by 10, the ones place digit will be the remainder. All other together will form the quotient. So in this case 2 is the remainder. Here 0 is the remainder, like that. Okay. So when we divide a number, same number, if we are dividing by 100, what will happen? Suppose one number, same number, 5678, when we are dividing by 100. Okay. Now here we want to take two places, two zeros are there in that 100. So here which will be that last two places will be the remainder, and that first remaining numbers will be the quotient. So here 56 is the answer or quotient, and what is the remainder? Remainder will be 78. Okay, this type we can use a shortcut method, that is easy division for numbers. That is some special case. Now if you are dividing a number by 20 and 30 like that, what will happen? Now here only we discuss the example dividing by 10. Next we can divide the numbers by 20, 100, 20, 30 like that. So suppose when we divide a number by 20, suppose the same number, or we can write another questions. 560 divided by 20. We want to divide 560 by 20. So first divide this number by 10. That we know. When we divide 560 by 10, what will be the answer? 560 by 10, that we already learned, which is the quotient will be 56. That's equal to 56, and what will be the remainder here? It is 0, because the ones place digit is 0. After that we are dividing this answer, dividing this 56 by which number you know? Here actually which is 20. So first we divide by 10, then we can divide that answer by 2. So 56 divided by 2, that we know. Easily we can find out 56 divided by 2. By normal division you can do that. Then you will get 28. Okay. So 560 divided by 20 is equal to 28. Just like another question, if we are dividing by 30, what will happen? One number, suppose 360, we are dividing by 30. So first we are dividing this number by 10. 360 we are dividing by 10. Okay. That we know. What will be the quotient? After that only ones place digit avoid, then what is the remaining? 36. 36 is the quotient. Then after that we are dividing that answer 36 by which number? Here it is 30. We are dividing by 30. When we divide by 20, first we divide by 10, then with 2. Here first we divide by 10, then what will be the next? 3. 36 divided by 3. So that answer we know, we can easily find out. So it will be 12. So this way we can find out the division of any number by 40, 50, 60 like that. So when we divide a number by 40, first we divide that number by 10, then divide by 4 like that. So that method we can use for shortcut method of this type of division. Now normal our division of a number, 3-digit number or 4-digit number by a one single digit number or 1-digit number, that we can do first. So one question, 8362 divided by 3. Okay. So how we can divide this question? So when we start, that we already learned division, we will start from the ones place. So 8 divided by 3. So for that we know 2 into 3 is how much? 2 into 3 we know it is 6. And 3 into 3 it is 9. But 9 is greater than which one? 8. Okay. So which multiplication factor we want to take? This one. So 8 divided by 3 will be how much? 2. And then 2 into 3. 6. Then subtract 8 minus 6. 2. Then bring down 3. Now the number is 23. 23 divided by 3 how much? When the multiplication table of 3, when we know 17 into 3 21. And 8 into 3 24. So which is the multiples of near 23 we are finding. So one number we got 21 and second one is 24. So but we know 24 is greater than this 23. So which multiplication factor we want to take? This one. 7 into 3 21. So 23 divided by 3 it will be 7. Then 7 into 3 21. Then subtracting 3 minus 1 we will get 2. Then bring down the next digit 6. Okay. Bring down 6. Now 26. In 26 divided by 3. So now here we find out 8 into 3 24. Then 9 into 3 we know it is 27. 10 into 3 also we know 30. Okay. So it is 9 into 3 is 27. So that is greater than this 26. So we want to take this fact. 8 into 3 24. So 26 by 3 we will get 8. 8 into 3 24. 6 minus 4 2. Then bring down the next digit 2. Okay. Then 22 divided by 3. How many will be there? We can take this multiplication fact. So it will be 7. 7 into 3 21. Remainder we got 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. Now we can check this division is correct or not using the equation that we already learned. Quotient into divisor. When we multiply this, then add with the remainder. What answer we want to get? You want to get the remainder, not dividend 8362. Using that equation we can find out our division is correct or not. So just we can check it. What is the quotient we got here? Quotient multiply with the divisor. That means 12,787. When we multiply with 3, after that product to add with this remainder 1, then we will get 8362 only if our division is correct. So 3 into 7, 21. Then 2 is carrying 8 into 3, 24 plus 2, 26. Again 2. 3 into 7, 21. 21 plus 2, 23. 2 is carrying 2 into 3, 6 plus 2, 8. 8361. Then add this number. Then remainder we will get 8360. So that is the same number as this dividend. Okay, so our division is correct. Using this we can find out, we can check our division is correct or not. Okay, thank you.